Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Looking closely at figure 2, we see two coupled reactions occurring simultaneously. The aminotransferase enzyme facilitates the movement of an amino group from one molecule to another to create new products. In the first part of the diagram, aspartate loses its amino group to become oxaloacetate. This confirms that aspartate is the initial source of the nitrogen group being moved around here. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi.